Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about home decor and lifestyle content, and today we are going to be cleaning my closet. Y'all, when I tell you my closet is a hot mess, it's a hot mess, y'all. It is crazy. Like, yeah, what I basically have is a couple of units that we installed in our office that hold the majority of my clothes. And ever since we installed it, we moved in November, we installed it in the end of November, beginning of December, and ever since then it's just been a mess because my life has been a mess. Okay, so today we are gonna start cleaning, and it's gonna like just bring me so much peace and happiness to like have this room finally clean. Like, you guys, once you see it, like, you will completely understand what I mean. Like, it's crazy. When life hits you and you have a whole bunch of stuff going on, it can be so difficult to like pull yourself either out of that funk and like start working towards like cleaning your home or cleaning your room, and it feels so good after, but like getting to that point is very difficult. So I'm really excited to share with you guys this video on how I'm gonna clean and organize my closet. I'm so excited to do it. So if you guys like this type of content, please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is the door to enter into our office, and then when you turn this way, this is my closet. Our desks are over here, but this is the closet unit, y'all. It's so gross. I have some bags up there. Almost everything is just piled up. Guys, I have a mix of like makeup in here. Like, that's a palette right there. That's a blood pressure cuff. Like, underneath that is like some more like makeup. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is ridiculous. Guys, it's so bad. If you hear that squeaking, that's our floor. Just pay no attention to it. And over here I just have like, do you see? It's just like piles of clothes. Like, this is a belt, a hanger, like just clothes, okay? And then this like has socks in it and a hat. This is a book bag like on top of my clothes, another bag back there. Like, it's just crazy, y'all. It's just really bad. Guys, I told you it's gross. I know, it's so bad. But it's time to get started. So I'm gonna just start by clearing out the space completely. It's time to get serious, y'all. Right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh wait, it's kind of mid-video. I know it's been taking me a while to film this video because there's just been a lot going on in my life, like with this whole life pandemic and all that good stuff. So yeah, anyways, we're back and we are going to film the end of this video. I'm so excited. Oh, this thing in my ear, my ear is really clogged, y'all, so just pretend you don't see it, okay? Just pretend. We're just going. All right, perfect, great. It's been really difficult for me to figure out how I want to organize this closet system, and it still looks exactly the same. Like, let me show you guys. Hold on. So this is how it looks right now. Like, all of the clothes are pretty much still in the same spot. I know in the last clip I showed you guys the clothes that was taken out and me folding them, and I did. They're actually over here. So these are some of the clothes that I folded, and now it's a mess because life, right? So basically what I'm doing now is I'm going according to a diagram that I drew out of how I want my closet to look, and I will explain it to you guys right now because this just helped me to kind of put everything that I wanted in my head out and just make sure that it all made logical sense. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I want to do, like what's the vision, and then we're just gonna start, like, you know, putting the clothes in instead of me like taking all of the clothes out and trying to like fold it all and then put it all away. Like, it's too much work. Like, it's honestly just way easier for me to like organize as I fold and go. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what my vision is. Okay, so this is like the little diagram that I created. I hope you guys can see it. Sorry if you hear any background noise. There's people in my house. Well, my boyfriend who lives here. But basically, in one section I'm going to be putting jackets, workout clothes, sweaters. Like, everything is organized on this diagram, and this is just how I'm going to work, except for these two drawers down here. This right here, like, let me, bruh, like, that is from when we originally hung this bar. It fell. The wall was too weak and it fell, and then we tried to hang it again in that same spot and it fell again. So I have to plaster that up, but I'm just not going to do it now. I'm going to do it probably in, like, I don't know, not now. Okay, you guys, I'm finally complete with my closet organization and I can't wait to show you guys. I'm so excited. It came out really good, but I'll be honest with you, I did not complete the rest of the room. Okay, so this space is my closet, right? But it's not fully complete. Like, there's still some components that I want to add in to spice it up, make it more pretty, make it more girly, more me. But I will show you guys what it looks like right now. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, so starting with the very first drawer, we have all of my bras neatly organized. There's some more that I have to add in there, but this is like the gist of it for now. In the back, I have hats, winter hats, fashion hats, all back there. Then I have my sports bras, my sports equipment, I guess, quote unquote equipment, and all of my leggings and tops for the gym, as well as my waist trainer right back there. In this drawer, I still have to get more organizers for it, but right now we have all of my bathing suits, some in bags that I haven't worn yet. These are cover-ups for my bathing suits. Back there, I have some bathing suits as well. And then on the side, I have all of my scarves, just like that. And then on this very bottom drawer, these are all of like my, what I call quote unquote ugly sweaters. So I have just thick sweaters that I wear. Guys, I live in New York, so it is always cold in here, or always cold over here, so I have to make sure I dress warm. So I just have some sweaters that are like old but are extremely warm and I don't want to get rid of. Like this sweater, as you can see, it has like little ballies and I don't want it to be displayed, but it's really warm. This sweater as well. Then I have some other sweatpants back here that aren't like super cute, but I still like to wear them either to go to the store, walk around the house, things like that. And then another pair of black sweatpants. So that's all for these 3 drawers. That's everything I have, and as time goes on, I will organize it a bit more. Then right above these drawers, I have 4, well actually, yeah, 4 jackets and 1 sweater. So I have all of my blazers in the front, and then I just have some like fancier, quote unquote fancier clothes that I could like wear for work or something. So romper, some dresses over here. Then I have some more summery stuff on this side, like some dresses here, some tops that I like to wear. And then this section back here is mostly winter sweaters that I wear on a regular basis. So I have some crop sweaters in here. I love crop sweaters. Some sweaters I used to wear when I went to the office all of the time, and now we just work from home, so they're probably just gonna sit here until I go outside. And then all the way in the back, I have one of my favorite hangers in the world, and that's these pants hangers. They have 4 like hooks right here, as you can see, like, but I just use this to hang like my dress pants on. So I have, on this one I actually only have 3 pairs of pants, but I have them stacked like this. And then on this one I have 4 pairs of pants, and I absolutely love these. These are great for storage and space. I've had them for like forever, like probably over 7 to 8 years at this point. Okay, and then down in these drawers, they finally came together, you guys. Okay, so in this first drawer, I have all of my jeans that I wear on a regular basis. And then moving over to this one, I have actually all of my summer jeans that I like to wear. So these are like shorts back here. These are like capri pants, some more shorts. These are shorts as well, some skirts. Then in here, I have all of my shirts. On this right side, right here, I have all of my short sleeve plain t-shirts. So these are just plain white and black and gray shirts that I like to throw on in the back, just so I can have room to grow. Because I mean, I'm not gonna stop shopping, so let's be honest, I need space in this closet. And then this is the most compact drawer, you guys. This drawer is so filled. But these are all of my summer dresses that I like to wear. These are all of my summer skirts back here on this side, and then these are just some more dresses. I have some casual dresses in the back, and then some more dressy dresses in the front. On the very top here, I have all of my bags on the top, and yeah, that's how it's looking so far. Okay, and that completes my closet makeover and organization. I'm so excited that I finally got to do this. I've been putting it off for the longest, but it's finally complete and I'm so excited. There's always room for improvement, so if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them down below. That does not complete this clothless makeover. There's still so much to get done, and if I show you guys what it looks like right now, you would be like, ew. Like, it's not dirty, but it's just super messy, not organized, not cute. But I'm excited to like really revamp this room and get its true potential, because it is a phenomenal room. So much light comes in, and I love doing my makeup and filming in here. So this is definitely going to be the room for those types of activities. So if you guys want to stay tuned to see how the rest of this clothless makeover comes out, please subscribe below, like, give it a big old thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And let me know what you guys want to see. If this was interesting, please let me know. And yeah, okay, bye till next time.